Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay for your Xbox purchases. While Apple Pay isn't a direct payment method on your Xbox console, there are effective workarounds. The primary method involves using your Apple Card as a regular credit card. This allows you to seamlessly purchase games, subscriptions, and various in-game content directly through your Xbox. It's a straightforward process that brings the convenience of your Apple Card to your gaming experience. To set this up, first go to your Xbox console settings. From there, select Account and then Payment and Billing. You'll see an option to add a payment option. Choose credit or debit card. Now, simply input your Apple Card's 16-digit card number, its expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. Once confirmed, your Apple Card will be linked, ready for your gaming purchases. Another excellent way to use Apple Pay for your Xbox content is through gift cards. You can purchase Xbox gift cards from various online retailers that accept Apple Pay as a payment method. After your purchase, you'll receive a 25-character digital code. Simply redeem this code on your Xbox console or through your Microsoft account online. The funds will then be added to your balance, ready for use. By using these methods, you can enjoy secure and convenient transactions for all your Xbox content and subscriptions. This approach offers great flexibility in managing your gaming budget. Remember to always ensure your billing information accurately matches the details on file for your payment method. These simple workarounds provide a reliable and easy way to integrate Apple Pay into your Xbox gaming world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.